Hey builders, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel where today we will be installing on the Project Accord some mud flaps. Let's get started! What we'll be needing for today's video and to accomplish the project for today is we're going to be needing the mud flaps. So we got the rear, we got the front, and we're going to need the bolts so we can put it right on these because these are old. These are rusty old, gotta replace them. So we got these new bolts and we're just going to be installing them on like both sides of the fenders. On the fenders, we're gonna be installing on both sides, and then I won't be recording, but I'll be doing the other side after. But I'm just gonna be showing these two. So let's get started on it, shall we? Okay, as you see, we got all the bolts out on this one. So, the liner for the fenders all moving around. So yeah, now let's get into installing the mud flap. Of the car, got both sides. We got the first one done. That was a little bit stressful, but now I know how to do it. So now we're going on the back, but the back's a little bit easier because the front had three bolts, but the back one only has one. So I'm also gonna put like a support one down here. But yeah, let's get started. I know I just had to cut the time lapse, but as you see right here, this hole, there's no hole, they're just little divots, but I just made a hole so that we can install it. But just saying, when you're getting ready to install a mud flap on a 2002 Honda Accord, just remember the back side, the front side, they had four screws, so there's 4 nuts and bolts that was in there so you can install it. But on this side, there's only one, so you gotta make these your own, and that's what I did on the other side. But yeah, let's get back in the time lapse. Okay, so as you can see, the back mud flap is in. Okay, so yeah, so this is how to install a 2002 Honda Accord. This is how you install a mud flap. So I hope you like it. I hope you comment, and then you can subscribe. Yeah, but just don't forget, you can do anything you want in life, but all you gotta be willing to do is just build it up. So have a good day, and yeah, see you in the next one.